Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the top high fiber foods you need to include in your diet. Think you know your food? Well, think again. Fiber is essential for a healthy gut, and we're here to show you the best sources. We're talking about the good stuff, the ingredients that'll sort your insides out and have you feeling like £1,000,000. Let's dive in. You won't want to miss this. First on our list are beans. Don't underestimate these little powerhouses. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, lentils, they're all packed with fiber and incredibly versatile. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack between meals. So, make sure to include beans in your diet. Next up, berries. Fresh, vibrant berries are not only delicious, but also rich in fiber. Raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and even goji berries are excellent choices. These little fruits are bursting with flavor and goodness, making them a perfect addition to your diet. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to your meals. Now let's talk about avocados. These creamy, delicious fruits are a fantastic source of fiber. Whether you spread them on toast, mash them for guacamole, or eat them straight out of the skin, avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. They provide good fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. Make sure to include avocados in your diet. Listen up, you lot. We're moving on to whole grains. Say goodbye to white bread and hello to brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These whole grains are packed with fiber and provide slow-release energy, keeping you full and satisfied. They are essential for a healthy digestive system and should be a staple in your diet. Choose whole grains for better health. Last but not least, let's talk about nuts. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, they're all great sources of fiber, healthy fats, and protein. But remember, moderation is key. A handful of nuts is all you need to reap the benefits. Too much of a good thing can be bad, so enjoy nuts in moderation for a healthy diet. Thanks for watching. Now you know the top high fiber foods to include in your diet. These foods will help you maintain a healthy gut and overall well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. See you next time.